How to fix Monopoly Go app keep crashing, not loading. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Monopoly Go app crashing and not loading. So whenever you open your Monopoly Go app, it should bring you to this page or to the last page, the last thing you did on Monopoly. And if it's not bringing you to this page, it keeps on crashing and it's not loading. That means that there is an issue with either your phone or with your app update. So the next thing for you to do once that happens is to go to your Play Store, leave the app, go to your Play Store and check if there is a new update on the app. Alright. Once you open your Play Store, in the search bar type out Monopoly Go, and then once you type it out, if there is a recent update, you see the option update next to the play icon, so you can just click on it. Now if there is no recent update, you go to your phone storage, that is your phone settings. If you do not have enough storage, this can make your Monopoly Go app to react to this and not to function properly. So you can just go to your phone storage and then confirm the amount of storage you need, and if you need to free up some space, you can do that. Then the next thing for you to do, or another thing you can do if the storage part does not work, is by clearing the cache. Yes, clearing the cache of your app. Just click on app management and then app list, and then once click on app list, in the search box locate Monopoly Go. Now the cache of Monopoly Go or of any application is very important because it makes the app function well. But whenever this cache is too much, it can also make the app to die function. Alright, so you can just come here and click on clear cache at the lower part of the screen. And then the last thing you can try, if you've done all of this and it's still not loading, is by uninstalling and then reinstalling the application. This always works. Once you uninstall the application and then you install it back, the app would definitely function the way it ought to. So this is how you can fix Monopoly Go app keep crashing, not loading. I'm sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.